Welcome to my channel Polyglot Wannabe. In today's Korean lesson, we will learn how to say what is your name, how to answer that, and I will introduce to you the verb to be and subject and topic markers. Let's go. This is our first sentence. 이름이 뭐예요? What is your name? Literally means name what is. 이름 is a noun and means name. 뭐 is a shortened question word from what and 뭐 both mean what. Subject marker, and it is used to tell who or what is doing the action or what the sentence is about. In this case, shows the answer to what is your name. There are subject markers, and ka. If the noun ends in a consonant, we add and if it ends in a vowel, we add ka. 이름 ends with a consonant mium, so we added Ita is similar to the verb to be in English. Rules for ita. If a noun ends in a vowel, add ieyo. If it ends in a consonant, add ieyo. In this case, mo isn't a noun, but a pronoun, but the same rule is applied. So mo ends in a vowel, wo, and we add ieyo. When someone asks, what is your name? 이름이 뭐예요? You can answer by saying my name is. 제 이름은 예요 or 이예요, depending on whether your name ends in a vowel or a consonant. Let's say your name is Anna. You will say 제 이름은 안나예요. My name is Anna. 제, my, 이름, name. Then we have an, and that is a topic marker. It tells what is the topic of the sentence. We are using it in this case to show that our name is the topic of the sentence. And because you are talking about your name, you are the topic, so we use the topic marking particle. It is also used for general statements like this is my name, I am student, etc. I will show you later more examples where it is used, like when showing contrast, etc. Just like subject marker, we also have topic markers for nouns that end in vowels and consonants. If a noun ends in a consonant like irum, that ends with the consonant mium, we add an. And if it ends with a vowel, we add n. And how would you say, my name is Jin? Exactly. 제 이름은 진이에요. That is all for today, so you won't get overwhelmed. Next time we will learn more basic sentences. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to teach you something in my future videos. I also have Patreon, where you can follow my language journey and see my Korean notes, extra vocabulary, and even read my story back in Korea, where I'm adding Korean sentences while sharing a love story between a foreign girl and a cute Korean guy. There is a free and paid stuff, so everyone can find something for themselves. I will put the link in the description so you can check it out. Until the next time, see ya!